brands like Jaguar. Now when it comes to servicing your car, the pollen filter is something which often gets overlooked. But for less than £20 you can keep your interior fresh, free from debris. This genuine Jaguar pollen filter, also known as a cabin filter, was bought from our friends down at SNG Barrett in Bridge North. Now to show you how easy it is to fit these. The pollen filter is located just under this panel here, which can be removed quite easily. Looking inside this compartment, you'll see the pollen filter. All you have to do is simply pull down on this tab and it pops open, allowing you to remove the filter. You'll see the cover just fits inside those two locating tabs at the bottom. Also, while the filter is out, it's a good idea to remove this cover and to check for any debris that sits along the bottom here, because right here you have a drain hole, and if that gets blocked then water can build up and overflow onto your ECU. I personally know somebody who had this problem where that drain hole got blocked and it fried his ECU and it overflowed. So good chance to clear out any debris that you may find in there. Here you can see the colour difference between the old filter compared to the brand new one. When installing these, have a look out onto the side, because it will show you right there the direction of the airflow. So we'll want the arrows to sit facing in towards the car. Make sure the locating lugs are in. There and there on the cover. Carefully insert the new filter. And it should tuck nicely in, even all the way across. And then just close the cover. And it is simple as that. 2-minute job for less than £20. And then the cover located so. And there we are, job done. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a like. I'll see you on the next video.